Good morning, students. Okay, good morning. So before you sit down, please, who wants to lead our prayer for today? Okay, Miss Manano, please, our prayer for today. Amen. Okay, so before you sit down, please pakipig ng mga trashes ng mga kalat dyan sa ibaba ng chairs. Okay, thank you, children. So now, you may now sit down. Okay, so for now, I will check your attendance. Say present if you're around. Abraham, Arquilio, Malanog, Yap. Okay, lahat ay present. So give yourself a 3 claps. Very good. So now, I have 3 rules in my class. So first is, no cell phones allowed during my class. Second, listen carefully. And third, please raise your hand if you know the answer. Okay, now, meron ba tayong assignment? Okay, wala. Okay, so wala tayong assignment. So now, I will group you into 2 groups. Then, magpipick kayo ng representative each group. Then, yung representative nyo ay pupunta sa harapan ko at magpipili sila ng kanta. Then, they will perform the music. Then, kayong magigess kung ano yung kanta. Okay? Group 1 dito, group 2 dito. Okay, pick na kayo. Okay, very good. Okay, give yourself a 5 claps. Okay, very good. So, group 1 got the highest score. Group 2 got 3 points. Okay. It's okay. Okay lang yun. Babawi na lang kayo sa next. Okay, now? So now, we will proceed for our discussion. But before that, please read our objectives. Everyone, please read. Okay, very good. So, before we go to our discussion, we will have our activity. This is a graded activity. So, I have here a scramble words. Tapos, sasagutan nyo in just 5 minutes. Okay? Okay, now, you may now answer. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay na ba? Okay. So, pass your papers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, now, we will see if tama yung sagot nyo. Okay. Lahat ba nakatama? Okay, very good. So, give yourself a 3 claps. Okay, very good. So, now, we will go to our discussion. So, I have question. How do you feel, or what do you feel for our activity? Is it fun or confusing? Yes, nakakalito at the same time, enjoy. Okay. So what is all about? Okay, it's all about songs. Okay, so our topic for today is all about folk songs. So guys, student, please read the definition of folk song. Okay, so folk songs are traditional music originating from different areas of the Philippines. So each song is heavily based on it. Folk songs can be about anything from courtship, marriage, and conflict to activities that happened in a daily life of early Filipinos. So, folk songs daw, it can base on a courtship and marriage. And hindi lang din nakabase doon ang folk songs. Folk songs is in our daily lives. Or so, folk songs din is yung nakasanayan natin sa atin na in this generation. So, folk songs. So, what are those examples of folk songs? So, give me 4 examples of folk songs. Yes, Miss Abraham. Okay. Bahay Kubo. So, we all know that Bahay Kubo is very popular, di ba? yan yung kinakanta ng mga teachers or pinapa-exercise or ina-energize ng mga teachers sa mga students natin in the grade school. So, what else? Okay, Liron-Liron Sinta. Again, and next, okay, Sit-Sit-Sit. Lastly, okay, Magtanim ay di biro. Okay, so lahat yon yung binanggit nyo those are the examples of folk songs. Understand? Okay, so again, what was our lesson? Okay, it's all about folk songs. What are those examples of folk songs? Bahay Kubo, Liron-Liron Sinta, Sit-Sit-Sit, at okay, Magtanim ay di biro. Okay, now we will go to our next na gagawin. Okay, now I will group you into 2 groups. So each group will sing a folk song from Lowland of Luzon. So this will be the group 1 and group 2. So integrated dance choreography, each group will perform in just 2 to 3 minutes. So I give you 10 minutes to prepare. So go ahead, discuss with your group mates. Okay, ready na ba? So before you perform, I will read first the rubrics. So first is musically, 10%, creativity, 30%, mastery, 20%, and unity, 10%, with a total of 100%. Okay, now group 1, please perform your piece. Okay, very good. Please give a 5 claps for group 1. Okay, very good. So now group 2, please perform your piece. Okay, very good. Please give 5 claps for group 2. Okay, very good. So, I will give first the feedback in each group. So, group 1, I like your creativity musically and in your unity. And napansin ko rin na master nyo ang yung ginagawa, master nyo ang inyong performance. So, you got a 97%. So, group 2, medyo nakukulangan ako sa inyong creativity and isa pa, hindi kayo sabay-sabay, pero at least, master nyo ang inyong ginawa. So, I give you 95%. So, lahat kayo ay pasado. Give yourself a 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, very good. So, again, what was our topic? Okay, it's all about folk songs. So, what are those examples of folk songs? Bahay Kubo, Sit-Sit-Sit, what else? Magtanim ay di biro, at Liron-Liron Sinta. Very good. So, now get 1/2 sheet of paper and please write 1 and 2. So, in number 1, question is, what is folk song in your own understanding? Again, what is folk song in your own understanding? Elaborate your answer. Okay, number 2, what are the examples of folk songs? Give me at least 4. Okay, done? Okay, pass your paper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, very good. So, again, what was our topic? Okay, it's all about folk songs. And what are those examples? Yes, very good. So again, did we attain our objective? Okay, objective 1. Objective A, B, C. Okay, very good. Did we attain all of our objective? So now we will proceed for our activity. Our assignment. So please write on your notebook. Advanced study about the Festival of Aklan, Cebu, and Batangas. Again, please advance study about the Festival of Aklan, Cebu, and Batangas. Okay? Naunawaan ba? Okay. So please stand up. Goodbye and thank you, class. Okay, see you on our next class. Bye!